Hi everyone, my name is Celeste and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time to visit this vlog, don't forget to subscribe before this video ends. Okay? So, medyo kababalik ko lang sa YouTube platform. Normally, I post dance choreography or dance videos on this channel. But then, I realized for the past couple of days that fitness tutorials might also be a great help. Especially these days, na we need to stay at home and we still need to keep healthy and fit even na nasa bahay lang tayo. So, why not, 'di ba? A lot of inquiries I received so far since I've started my fitness journey is about core exercises or core workout. Most of the women wants to get rid of their fat belly in exchange of a sexy, toned, and firm-looking abs. But did you know, ladies, that men are more likely to have the six-pack ab because men requires a lower percentage of fat compared to women. Average women would require 20% of fat percentage to remain healthy, fertile, or have a regular menstrual cycle. But it will depend on your body type. So there may be pros and cons about women having six-pack ab. Pros could be, of course, sexy looking abs. And the cons would be, believe it or not, smaller boobs or breasts. So, before we proceed to our core exercise today, here are 3 things that you should know. Number 1, you cannot have a firm looking abs on core workout alone. So, meaning, yung pagpa-fat burn natin cannot be isolated on a core exercise only. You need to exercise full body and a variety of exercises. In connection to that, here is number 2. Number 2 is you have to aim to reduce fat percentage. So by doing so, you need a variety of exercises. It could be cardio, strength, and power exercises, and anything that you would like. You could also do dance or yoga or any athletic activities outside. So hindi lang siya isolated sa core exercise. In connection to number 3, work on multiple muscles simultaneously. So, group of muscles, magkakaiba. It could be Monday, you're working out on your core and legs. Tuesday, you're working out on your upper body, chest, tricep. Or Wednesday, shoulders and back. Thursday, cardio or plyometrics or HIIT. Friday could be your rest day, and then Saturday, another activity, and so on and so forth. But always remember, everything, every plan, every fitness program will always depend on your body type and your fitness level. Okay? So if you're ready, here are your core exercises. I prepared more focus sa lower ab video workout. Enjoy! Number 1, toe taps. To set up, start with your knees aligned on the top of the hips. Make sure you press your lower back towards the floor to engage your core. The tip of your toe lightly touches the floor. Number 2, leg raises. Point your toe and feet together to also activate leg muscles. Lift legs together to hip level only, and then control the weight of your legs all the way down. But keep a space between the floor and your legs when you're moving it down. Number 3, scissors. In this exercise, alignment is the key to a better result. Start with feet together and an inch off the floor. It's pretty much like the leg raises, but this time you're going to lift one leg at a time and do it alternately. Number 4, mountain climbers. Start with your arms shoulder width apart. Keep an aligned spine when doing this. Avoid rolling off your back. Contract your core as you kick your knees in towards your chest. Number 5, hip dips. To start with a hover plank. Elbows aligned under shoulders, then move one side of your hip towards the floor, then preset to center, and then do it again on the other side. This is a very challenging workout, especially for beginners. Number 6, hip bridge. To start, lie down on the floor, knees bend, heels should be closer to your butt, and then push your hips towards the ceiling. Make sure it's a full range hip bridge. This is one of my favorite workout and works best for me. Last but not the least, number 7, plank leg lifts. Start on your hover plank position. Lift with your heels. Legs straight, avoid knees from bending, and feel the squeezing of your butt and core. Alright, that's it. I hope you enjoyed that workout. Remember that there are a lot more ways on how to rip that belly. And also remember that your exercises are just 20% of your fitness goal. And the remaining 80% is your lifestyle. So what you eat, what you do, your habits, these are a great factor on your fitness goal. So also learn or search about the healthy diet that will also complement with your fitness regime. I won't be suggesting those fast-paced fat burners or miracle ab in this few weeks, but I will highly recommend to go on a natural process of maintaining a healthy level of your fat, and then go naturals, go organics, and listen to your body. Again, I hope all is well with you, and I hope this video inspires you to get going. If you learn something from it, write it down, plan your fitness routine for the week, and apply it ASAP, whatever. If you have any questions, comments, or suggestions, don't forget to comment down below on the comment section. And if you're just new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button to keep you updated. And again, thank you for watching. This is Celeste. I'll see you soon, and God bless. Fearless.